Arch has also made investments and is participating very heavily in the very dynamic market of surgical robotics. One of the more well-known players in that space is Intuitive Surgical with the Da Vinci platform. This is an MIS laparoscopic surgical robot, so these devices are very complex with a combination of a surgeon-side console and then a patient bedside console. Many of the components that go into these systems are very tight tolerance, feature-rich machine parts. Many of these parts and components require the latest machining technology to be able to meet the very demanding geometries and tolerances.